Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dissect the latest and greatest in consumer goods.
Today, we've got a real gem for you, folks.
We're diving deep into the Wrangler Authentics women's stretch denim jacket, hailed as the ultimate ladies' jean jacket on the market.
Let's get started. Alright, folks, let's talk about why this jacket is causing such a stir. First off, Wrangler is a name synonymous with quality, and this piece is no exception.
Crafted from a blend of 99% cotton and 1% spandex, it's the perfect marriage of durability and flexibility.
But what really sets this jacket apart? Let's break it down.
The classic button closure gives it that timeless vibe, ensuring you're always in style, rain or shine.
Plus, with its array of color options, there's a shade for every occasion. Now, let's talk comfort. Made from a soft cotton blend, this jacket is designed to move with you.
No more feeling restricted. It's all-day comfort, whether you're out for a stroll or hitting the town.
But wait, there's more.
Check out these pockets.
With spade flap pockets and vertical welt front pockets, you've got easy access to all your essentials. No more digging around. Everything you need is right at your fingertips. So, there you have it, folks. The
Wrangler Authentics women's stretch denim jacket, a true wardrobe staple. With its timeless style, unbeatable comfort, and practical features, it's no wonder this jacket is flying off the shelves.
Don't miss out. Grab yours today.
That's all for today's episode of Product Critique. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more in-depth reviews on all your favorite products.
Until next time, happy shopping!